are back on day 2 of the jerky. The meat has been in the bag marinating overnight. Take all that bad boy, throw it in a strainer. You want as much moisture off of your jerky as possible. You're gonna put it on the cutting board, single file, not overlapping, nice and flat. Jerky's gonna go on the smoker. You want it as low set as possible. 165, 175, 185, somewhere in that range. Higher the heat you cook it, the faster it's gonna cook. Be as low and as slow as possible so that the jerky doesn't get tough. Now that everything's all patted dry, put these bad boys on the smoker. I'll see you here on the next batch. Now it's time for that sweet and spicy batch. Time for the sweet and spicy batch to go on the smoker. Now, the trick to perfect jerky is you want even cuts. 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch thick, and you want every piece to be a uniform thickness and size. If it's not, then some pieces will cook faster than others. We put them on the smoker, half one flavor, half the other flavor. My wife isn't really too keen into spicy. I make sure not to get them mixed up so that I don't light her on fire. The trick for doing jerky on any kind of smoker or dehydrator or in the oven, you don't want the pieces to overlap. You want the smoke to hit every single edge of the meat. If the pieces are folded over each other, something's not gonna be cooked right. As long as they're all spread out so that nothing's touching, everybody's happy. So now that everything's all lined up, this is gonna go nice and slow all the way until it's the consistency you want. It's completely up to you. Let's let this go.